Our planet is burning. The only answer is decisive climate action by governments, businesses and investors, mayors and governors, and citizens everywhere. Gradual approaches are no longer enough.